Welcome once again to yet another episode of Cricket Premies, where we cover the biggest controversies in this IPL, including is Sunil Gavaskar even a cricketer? Did he even play for India? Who cares about this man? Johnny Bairstow told Shashank Singh that if he sees him not smiling, he's never going to talk to him again, which means Johnny Bairstow cannot be friends with Sunil Narayan, Varun Chakravarti, Gautam Gambhir, about 30% of the KKR side, which explains why he didn't get an offer from them. I'm on a very old school this wire because, as I've said many times before, this is to try and improve my microphone quality. And I don't know why I'm telling you all this. I'm joined by two luminaries so far of Indian cricket. First up, he was the physiotherapist when Mayank Yadav was injured on the field. Chirag Mahabal. Hi, Chirag.
Hi. What's up? I gave him some herb to ingest, and that's not gone down well with either the board or his parents. So,
Yeah. They're claiming that that's why he needs to take a break. It's all bullshit. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we have Rajasthan Royals Team D opening batter, Bhaskar. Bhaskar, how's it going?
Going pretty bad, man. Even the team D is losing. Like, okay, the IPL is doing good, but our team is in soup right now. So
The last time I called Bhaskar for a live, he said I have to go play cricket, and I was like, wow, man, this guy's actually doing the activities. But okay, let's get into this straight away. Let's talk about the biggest rivalry so far in this IPL after Pandya and Rohit Sharma, which is of course Virat Kohli versus Sunil Gavaskar. My question to both of you is: who would win in an arm wrestling contest between the two of them?
it'll be pretty close, I believe.
You think it'll be close, Bhaskar?
Yeah. You know, Virat Kohli respects his seniors. Like Gambhir ke sath dekh lo na ki he's done nothing. He's like, oh, we're always friends. So
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah. No, he's got 10,000 runs. So stacked wrestling में तो definitely Gavaskar ही जीत रहा है.
Stack wrestling. Just imagine when it's like 10,122. It's like 30 more centuries.
That was trump cards was everything. No? Then you have to take out the card and you have to read the thing that you know that is going to have an advantage over the other person. So I would read Sunil Gavaskar's test runs, and I think टेस्ट सेंचुरीज उसका उतना ही है ना कि 30s में ही है ना दोनों का.
हाँ 30s, but that time it was a record.
हाँ 30th century.
And then Kohli just slowly starts updating his own trump card, where he's like, "Abhi century mar raha hai," he's like, "100." But Bhaskar, are you enjoying this? Because I mean, for a lot of people who don't follow the story, essentially what happened was that Gavaskar spoke about Kohli's strike rate. Kohli spoke vaguely about the fact that critics are criticizing his strike rate. Then Star Sports started playing the clip in front of Gavaskar's face multiple times. That angered Gavaskar not towards Kohli but towards Star Sports, saying that you guys have been playing this clip 6 times, and who he's trying to criticize is the critics, and we are the critics. So now Gavaskar is angry, and then Kohli also responded to this, and now Kohli fans have lost their mind.
Then you missed out the biggest quote, Saurabh. The biggest after Gavaskar said what he said and Kohli said what he said, then the biggest quote came from my wife, who said, "Why are you following this story? Do we not have better things to do in our life? Is this not the male version of Filmfare or Stardust or something like this? Are you watching the cricket for the cricket's sake anymore? Is the cricket even important?" Those are all the things that my wife said, to which I kind of said, okay, I'll listen to what you're saying.
Those are words of wisdom. Like, that's so true. But I'm actually enjoying whatever is happening after that, because like there is a clip from 1980s which is coming up. फिर उसको गावस्कर के वो 36 of 174 के साथ जोड़ दिया गया, and then he's saying कि maybe my strike rate is not low, maybe the bowlers did not do enough. And I'm like, dude, you're just joining two eras और उसको justify करने का कोशिश कर रहे हो. Like, okay, whatever Gavaskar said was probably right. ठीक है, उस दिन problem था उसके strike rate में. But then after what is happening on social media, that is so hilarious. So I think we should all take your wife's advice and not watch it actually.
Yeah, we have another. He's one of the experts of Gavaskar. In fact, he's been quoting Instagram reels talking about exactly that. Siddharth Shetty is here. Siddharth, what do you think of Sunil Gavaskar? Does he know how to play cricket? Was he an underarm gully cricketer who never really made it? What do you think?
Just tell me he's jealous of our Virat Kohli यार. मेरे को वो बहुत सही लगा कि I think किसी ने ऐसे मॉर्फ किया है, शायद से पता नहीं if Suresh Raina has tweeted, तो
Yeah.
इसमें लिखा है, why are you not talking about Rohit Sharma? Why are you targeting a Virat Kohli? और ऐसा गलत grammatical error सब है. It's just इतना sensationalized हो गया Indian cricket over past 3-4 days कि मजा ही आ रहा है यार. मतलब it's just, और गावस्कर के ऊपर तो लोग ऐसा सब लिख रहे हैं कि we don't understand what is his contribution in Indian cricket. ऐसा सब एक बंदा लिखता है, I saw World Cup picture. In that, Gavaskar was half of the time injured. He was just talking to his girlfriend. ऐसे मतलब पूरा.
The one guy was defending Gavaskar and he said, you must respect Gavaskar. He was India's opening batter and also India's opening fast bowler. So
Yeah.
there was one video where Harsha Mughal jokingly asked Sunil Gavaskar that you're a fast bowler, and people are like, so I realize Indian cricket fans, okay, the more I learn about Indian cricket fans, the more I'm like, Gautam Gambhir is absolutely correct. It's like everybody's out of their minds, and yeah, I mean, of course, Gautam Gambhir says that you shouldn't worship you shouldn't hero worship certain people. But anyway, let's not talk about politics. Sid, is your fan on by any chance?
एक second.
But in the meantime he comes, तुम्हें Sid Gavaskar का younger version नहीं लग रहा है if you see closely?
कौन गौतम गंभीर या
Strike rate 2 runs.
Siddharth Shetty looks like the guy who played Sunil Gavaskar in '83. He looks like this guy. Yeah.
I will take this as compliment.
I guess a nice looking guy. But okay, let's show this Gavaskar thing. Now, I also honestly, one of my favorite comments was one guy saying Gavaskar was dancing in MCG when Virat won. Now he's trolling him. And I'm like, yeah, it's almost like he's commentating. It's almost like he's excited when Kohli does well and not when he's doing badly. Yeah.
Hey, Saurabh, can anyone remind me of that one World Cup match which Gavaskar won us, and then we won that World Cup match because of him? Exactly.
Total.
Okay. So Mr.
1987,
Gavaskar can take it easy a little bit. Striker, he would not have survived in today's time and age. Superb batsman, 10,000 runs first banaya, superb centuries tally kiya, wo sab. Lekin he has also had his fair share of erratic behavior on and off the field. वो एक बार पूरा अपना co-player को दूसरा batsman को लेके field से off जाने वाला था. It's like Rishabh Pant almost called everybody off the field. And he's thrown tantrums and he's not accepted that he's not scoring runs. And when he's not been in a low form, he has done exactly the same thing that every other batsman does, which is try to come up with some kind of excuses. When you come up with a good performance, then you hit back at your critics. That's what Kohli has done. Now, then this soap opera of QK commentator bhi kabhi player tha, I'm not interested in any of this anymore. I want to know what are we doing about the T20 World Cup after they have inevitably going to lose the World Cup. उसके बाद क्या करने वाला है? मेरे को उसके लिए चाहिए, because I had to make plans to go to Goa later this year, and I just want to know what is going to happen. Am I going to be in a good state of mind or not in all of this? संजीव गोयनका क्या temper tantrums कर रहा है? मेरा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है सबसे.
Yeah, look at this. Goa is going to happen. Bhaskar, what about you? What do you think about all this?
नहीं, I feel कि ठीक है, मतलब they could criticize as commentators, but not again and again and again. मतलब Virat Kohli also is a batsman, like the best batsman that we have seen in this generation. He knows what he is doing on the field. ठीक है, it happens कि 4-5 balls वो connect नहीं करता. The strike rate, and these days strike rates drop in 5 balls का time. 35 of 50 and then 42 balls 52. ऐसे बहुत difference नहीं है. If you have bad 5-7 minutes, it can happen. तो मतलब I don't understand कि इतना emotion क्यों आता है हर मैच में. And finally they won that match. ऐसा नहीं है कि Bangalore lost that match. But everything cannot be कि strike rate से खेलोगे. अरे 150 का strike rate तो होना ही चाहिए. And even when he gets a 150 का strike rate, then also people criticize कि it should have been 200. So sky is the limit right now. मतलब क्या कर सकते हो उसको?
मेरे को इस पे एक बोलने का कि एक बार गावस्कर ने बोला, दूसरे बार विराट भाई ने रिप्लाई किया. उधर गावस्कर को स्टार स्पोर्ट्स वाले ने बोलना चाहिए था, अगर वापस से अजोबा आपने जाके कुछ भी बोला फील्ड पे, आपका पेमेंट रुक जाएगा. ये स्टार स्पोर्ट्स ने बोलना चाहिए था, आपका पेंशन हम बंद करवाएंगे, आप चुप बैठिए. ये वापस से जाके ये जो बोल रहे हैं ना, दिस इज जस्ट शो, एब्सोल्यूट शो ऑफ पावर कि भाई मेरे को जो करने का। एंड बेस्ट पार्ट ना कि लाइक मेरे डैड का जनरेशन, उन्होंने गावस्कर को देखा है, तो उनको सामने में बोलता है गावस्कर ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है और ऐसा क्या किया उन्होंने, ऐसे तो डैडी तो डिफेंड नहीं कर, बोलता है ही इज प्लेयर, ही इज बैट्समैन, ही इज अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, ही इज अ पेंशनर। It's like
pensioner?
तो आप लोग सब लोगों को मुझे ये पूछने का है, मतलब आप लोग सब लोग बताइए कि एक बार हुआ, उसके बाद
हाँ।
गावस्कर को जाके ये बोलने का क्या जरूरत था वापस से कि अरे ऐसा है। स्टार स्पोर्ट्स वाले को क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन देना चाहिए था, भाई बस हो गया ना अंकल, अभी आप करो ना अपना, आप भी आपको जो जॉब दिया करो ना अंकल, काय को आप
I'll tell you something, Sid. I'll tell you something. ये अभी सोशल मीडिया आने के बाद, you know what is the demographic age group of people who have done the most rada and created the most, like, you know, it's all the old people. सब ये सब पब्लिक है ना, जिन लोग कभी ओपिनियंस बोलने के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म मिला ही नहीं है, सडनली सोशल मीडिया आ गया, ओह माय गॉड, यू नो आई कैन स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस स्टफ। तो ये सबसे बड़ा फायदा यही लोग ने उठाया। एंड क्या वेस्ट इंडीज के अगेंस्ट सब बहुत अच्छा खेला था 70s में, और which is great, you know, super batsman and all of this. लेकिन the thing is, if कोहली का स्ट्राइक रेट के बारे में कोई बात कर रहा है, and then he's striking at 200 का स्ट्राइक रेट, and then 100 सब बना रहा है उसके ऊपर, then he has the right to talk, and then you can't call him a hypocrite just because you know you shut out the outside noise and then you're letting the outside noise in and all of that. I didn't understand what his point was.
So this is
ऐसे
sorry.
अभी जा रहे हैं ना वो खेलने के लिए, अभी वर्ल्ड कप खेलने के लिए जा रहे हैं वो, तो लाइक अपन आई थिंक लास्ट स्लाइड में भी अपन बात किया, सौरभ भाई बोले कि जितना ज्यादा कोहली को बोलेगा ना उतना ज्यादा वो इसका स्ट्राइक रेट बढ़ता जा रहा है।
हाँ।
मैं बोला कि जो पाकिस्तान वाला इनिंग्स था लास्ट T20 मैच में, मेरे को लगता है कि नॉट फ्रॉम पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ एनी इंडियन बैट्समैन, और बट आई थिंक वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट में ऐसा इनिंग्स खेलना ही बहुत मुश्किल है। इट इज वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड। मैं कोहली का छोड़ो, मैं नॉट बिकॉज मेरा बायस है कि इंडियन टीम के, मैं मैक्सवेल का भी इनिंग्स बोलता हूँ अफगानिस्तान के अगेंस्ट जो खेला वर्ल्ड कप में। ऐसे इनिंग्स अपने को बहुत कम दिखते, वो भी वो लेवल पे, वो भी ऐसे मैच पे, इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच पे जो खेला, उसके बाद अगर आप उस इंसान को बार बार ये कर रहे हो, थोड़ा मेरे को अनफेयर लगता है, बट ठीक है जो है वो है, अभी क्या बोल सकते हैं।
I just have 3 things to add to this. First of all, when Chirag and Sid started trolling Gavaskar, I was just imagining Sanju Samson in that Dream 11 ad, which is like, "Arey sir, aap bhi chalu ho gaye." Just delivery was in. And the second thing is that if Sunil Gavaskar's strike rate affects our opinion on his opinion, then basically none of us can talk. It's like he's just doing his job, and I thoroughly enjoy this controversy, and I think Sunil Gavaskar should say more.
Yeah, I don't have a low strike rate in the Ranji tournament. मेरा low strike rate नहीं है.
Yeah. Yours is conceptually infinite.
It's not low. I'll just say this much. I don't have a low strike rate in any international cricket tournament. Yeah.
By the way, we have a couple of comments that came in on YouTube. Sanket Kamble said, "Is Virat going to retire soon? Because not only is he hearing the outside noise, but was also replying to the noise in every game interview." Bhaskar, what do you think?
No, I don't think so. This is Virat Kohli. उसने 2014 में भी सेम चीज किया था, and 2024 में भी सेम चीज। He listens to all the noise and then he lets it. मतलब the good part about him is कि वो performance से पहले बात नहीं कर रहा. It is never like कि boss, why are you saying this? I am going through my low. When he has performed, then he came back in the interview and said that I have already worked on it. Now keep your mouth shut. And that is the way to go.
You just defined the difference between Riyan Parag and Virat Kohli. Riyan Parag till last year, Virat Kohli. Okay, let's talk about some other things that have happened. Okay, I want to ask Bhaskar and Chirag, because we've not had you properly before. Bhaskar,
No, sorry, there is a slight difference between Vinod Kambli and Virat Kohli also. कि विनोद कामली अपना परफॉर्मेंस की बहुत बात करते ही रहता है. Remember in the early 2000s to mid 2000s वो बहुत सीरियसली बोल रहा था कि I'm going to make a comeback into the Indian cricket team, and that was on basis of all the performances that he had hit in the early 90s. So he came to my gym.
I was fully on board with Kamli coming back, by the way. I was like, yeah, man, it'll be a great stop. So I believed him.
It'll be a great story, or biopic में you can also play a role. So
Yeah.
It will
person
give a
interest
chance
you.
to Nan Mongia in this T20 World Cup. Yes.
Yeah. We need another keeper.
Wheels का बैट लेके आता था तो Wheels फोर स्क्वायर का बैट.
Okay, let's talk about this. Bhaskar, have you enjoyed this IPL? Okay, because I was trying to think about this. Okay, and so far in this IPL, okay, the batting has been insane. The kind of runs that are being scored, the shots that are being, it's insane, right? The bowling has been bad because of multiple reasons. The pitches don't favor the batter, the field doesn't favor the bowler, and also Chahar told Harsha Bhogle that the balls also they are not giving us options, so the ball is not swinging. So basically, bowlers are just not being able to do anything because they have no option. The fielding has been shit. It's been the sloppiest IPL in the history of everything. The umpiring has been bad. So basically, the only reason to watch the IPL is the batting. So have you enjoyed that?
No, I have not. मतलब on BBO, I have been tagged as a test player. मतलब I am the Sunil Gavaskar there. This guy enjoys low strike rates. Because, you are taking out the contest. मतलब bowlers तो contest में है ही नहीं. It is more about how batsmen are going to hit and how long they can hit. And with a 60-meter boundary, it has become very easy that the mishits are also going for sixes and fours. And like, imagine 250 runs has been breached so many times in this IPL. So there has to be a contest. और जैसे KL Rahul ने उस दिन 29-33 मारा, people like, this is what you would like, na? I'm like, no, I am talking about a contest.
Yeah.
But honestly, I more enjoy games which are like 170 to 190, where both batsmen and bowlers are in contest. And as you said rightly, कि सब कुछ एकदम pathetic हो रहा है. Even the umpiring. Even
Yeah.
third umpire गलत decision दे रहा है. तो किसको
Yeah.
क्या बोलो जाके?
Chirag, what about you?
What about me? What's the
Have you
question?
enjoyed it, or you're just like कि मुझे गोवा जाके chill मारना है? Is that
हाँ
main
रे.
priority?
F all. I have not been even watching. मैं ऐसा भाजी काट रहा है, नहीं तो ऐसा सब्जी बना रहा है, नहीं तो ऐसा cleaning the cat later उसके time पे something you have to do, so I put on the IPL and then I switch it off and I watch one of your old podcasts instead, Saurabh, because नहीं अच्छा. I don't like it. And I don't like anything. It's like one batting practice. वो ऐसा, I went to my friend's house the other day and I had the pleasure of watching him play a computer game of cricket where I was not playing and I was watching him play. और बोला ये देख कैसा मैं सिक्स, ये देख कैसा मैं सिक्स इधर पे, ये देख कैसा मेरा विराट कोहली जैसा दिखता ही नहीं है कंप्यूटर कैरेक्टर, ये सब बोल रहा है. So it was like this.
My son, we started playing cricket 22 on the laptop, okay, and on the easiest level, okay, he was still outscored by Travis Head in real life. I think it's become impossible. By the way, we have to come straight also, but I want to talk to you about this guy called Vidwat Kavirappa, who made his debut for PBKS against Kohli. And this is to show you how bad the fielding has been this IPL. This guy's bowling his first over, okay? I've never seen this in my life. A guy bowling his debut match, 3 drops. 2 of them Kohli in 2 overs. And I'm like, dude, this is another level. So Shetty, tell me, what do you think should be done about this? And are you enjoying the bad fielding? Ki you're like, नहीं भाई improve करना चाहिए कहीं जाके.
मैं तो मिड सीजन जैसे एमआई हारने लग गया और मेरे को लग रहा था कि आरसीबी नहीं जीतने वाला है. बिफोर द रिसर्जेंट राइज ऑफ जेडाई आरसीबी, उसके पहले मैंने छोड़ दिया था. अरे सौरभ भाई, मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, मैं बाकी कंट्री का टीम सिलेक्शन है ना, मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्रिकेट का इंस्टाग्राम पेज में नीचे कमेंट कर रहा हूँ, व्हाई हैव यू नॉट टेकन मैकगरेग फ्रेजर, प्लीज डोंट टेक टिम डेविड, ही इज यूजलेस, लुक हाउ इज प्लेइंग फॉर मुंबई. मैं उधर से पैसे सब लिख रहा हूँ. पर हाँ, मेरे को तो इंडियन टीम सिलेक्शन देखने के बाद मैं बोला कि बाकी लोग के ऊपर थोड़ा फोकस मारते हैं ना उनका. हाँ, मैं लिख रहा है, मैं कमेंट कर रहा हूँ फुल रेज में, व्हाई आर यू नॉट टेकिंग फ्रेजर, व्हाट इज द थॉट प्रोसेस ऑस्ट्रेलियन, ऐसे सब लिख रहा हूँ मैं. मतलब मेरे को तो कल को याद दिलाते मेरा डैडी, अरे आज तो मैच है एमआई का. मैंने बोला देखना भी चाहिए कि नहीं. और पर पहली बात तो आपको मैंने बताया था लास्ट अपन बात किए थे कि सिराज ने बीच में स्टेटमेंट दिया. सिराज सीधा बोलते हैं, क्या भाई फ्लैट विकेट है, बॉलर लोग इतना मारते हैं, अच्छा नहीं लगता. मैं बोला नहीं सिराज, तू अभी वर्ल्ड कप खेलने वाला है, ऐसा सब बात तो मत कर यार, ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस ये हो जाता है. बट फील्डिंग के हिसाब से मेरे को लगता है कि था थोड़ा काफी ऐसा वो पहले का आईपीएल में नहीं क्या, जैसा कि पोलार्ड का रहने का कैसा कूदी मार के कैच पकड़ रहा है, जैसा उड़ के कैच पकड़ रहा है। मेरे को लग रहा है कि बाहर के प्लेयर्स जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के भी प्लेयर्स है वो लोग भी रिस्क नहीं ले रहे। उनके बोर्ड ने बोला का भाई कूदने उदने का भाई कोई जरूरत नहीं है,
राइट,
पैसा आ गया अकाउंट
ओके,
में, चुपचाप बिना इंजरी का बाहर निकलो उन लोग उधर, बिना
Yeah.
बाहर निकलो। तो मैं बाकी लोगों
हाँ,
के
और वर्ल्ड कप के पहले हड्डी वड्डी मत तोड़ो भाई, इंजरी मत करो।
हाँ
It's basically like none of these cricketers in this IPL will ever win an award for mathematics. You know the Fields Medal? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Mega, I'm an intellectual comedian. Okay, let's come to CSK, and I would love to know from all of you कि एक तो Chahar is not been, he's saying कि ball swing नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है. Pathirana is out, Mustafizur is out, Rahane. I have a feeling that CSK needs to get over this thing of कि हाँ शेन वॉटसन को हमने पूरे साल एक बार खिलाया और वो फाइनल में जाके फोड़ा. Right now, I love Ajinkya Rahane, but he's not Shane Watson. Let's just be honest. Okay? Like, he's not suddenly going to remember how to bat. And also, how many matches did he lose? Because even yesterday, I'm like, boss, you can already tell the issue here chasing this target is Rahane. So, Bhaskar, what are you seeing with CSK this year? Because that fear when you see CSK playing doesn't seem to be there as much as it was before.
No, absolutely. मतलब Rahane is one big problem that they have because in his अब ऊपर start नहीं मिल पा रहा है उनको बहुत अच्छा, and then because of that a lot of other players are also getting neglected. Now they picked Samir Rizvi for such a hefty price. He's doing nothing. He's just a fielding substitute for Rahane. Then you have Moeen Ali who's getting wasted. कल उसने एकदम मार के भी दिखाया कि भाई अब तो मुझसे ओपनिंग करा सकते हो तुम लोग, प्लीज करा लो. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज लाइक सीएसके का जब डेवन कॉनवे एंड ऋतुराज थे, their USP was कि 10 overs में they will score 80 runs for a loss of 1 wicket and that is the platform which has been built. Now with Rahane, मतलब उसका I think best innings would have been 25-30, not more than that in the complete IPL. So वो हो रहा है, तो one is opening वाला वो बहुत crucial balls चले जाते हैं, like the way Travis Heads and other openers are playing, वो important power play overs निकल जाते हैं. Secondly, मतलब बैटिंग बहुत डेप्थ है लेकिन वो भी यूज नहीं हो पा रहा है, एंड मतलब इशू दिख रहे हैं. स्टिल दे वुड मेक इट टू टॉप 4, बट दिस इज नॉट द टीम जो हम एसोसिएट करते हैं जनरली विद द सीएसके.
Chirag, what do you think?
about CSK?
About CSK, about Dhoni, about everything that's happening. Because last time we spoke about Dhoni and the number of CSK fans saying, "Arey, uska sab muscle tear hai, ye wo," and I'm like, yeah, I mean, amazing that he's being able to do this, but is it ideal? That's my question.
No, I mean, I quite liked Ruturaj's batting this entire season, and I think बहुत hope उससे आ रहा है, लेकिन and it's a very good thing that he's been included in the WT20 squad as a part of our playing 11. Also, he's going to be there. No, Ruturaj? No? He's like the second highest scoring batsman in the IPL after the Kohli, so he should be there, right? Logically, वो होगा.
Yeah, him and Rinku Singh are
ऐसा नहीं है
opening.
कि कोई 37-38 year old has been को फिर भी पुश कर रहा है, ऐसा तो नहीं है. अच्छे नए यंग स्टार्स को दे रहा है ना अपॉर्चुनिटीज, यही हो रहा है ना. ओके, तो अच्छा लग गया मेरे को सीएसके, और गॉड ब्लेस देम, गॉड ब्लेस द आईपीएल, गॉड ब्लेस इंडिया.
God bless it. I have to tell you this: what Stephen Fleming was pre-match interview. He spoke about Dhoni, and he said we just want to get him on the field, and this is his exact what he said. Now, one of our challenges is that we got a good backup keeper, which is Aravelli Avanish, but he's no MS Dhoni. We want to keep MS Dhoni on the field, and I'm like, if I was the backup keeper, I'm like, thanks. That's a lot, dude. Good coaching, guys. Fucking good.
He should work at a sports equipment store. You know, ऐसा बास्केटबॉल कोई खरीदने के लिए आया तो, hey, you're no Michael Jordan. I'm 3 years old. Yeah.
पर सीएसके में वो भी चला नहीं ना इस बार, रचिन रविंद्र भी नहीं चला. पब्लिक ने बोला अरे भारी है ये, एकदम तोड़ने वाला है, वो भी नहीं चला सीएसके के लिए. प्लस धोनी भाई 8वें-9वें नंबर पे आते, वो मतलब वो टीम का स्ट्रैटेजी रहेगा कि उनसे सिर्फ 10 बॉल ही खिला सकते हो, मतलब 10 बॉल मैक्सिमाइज करना है, वो स्ट्रैटेजी है सीएसके का स्पेशल. बट जैसे लाइक भास्कर भाई ने जैसे बोला कि मोस्ट ऑफ देयर प्लेयर्स डिड नॉट, और टीम सिलेक्शन में लाइक समीर रिजवी जैसा प्लेयर है, एंड उनको आप ही जस्ट बीइंग यूज्ड एज अ सब्स्टिट्यूट। आई थिंक थोड़ा मेरे को लगता है बहुत बहुत बड़ा टीम जैसे कि एमआई हो गया, सीएसके हो गया, दे हैव गॉन रॉन्ग विद देयर टीम स्ट्रेटेजी। अभी एमआई का भी देखो ना, मेरा क्या बोलना है, नॉट बिकॉज मेरा सब मन का इच्छा रहता है कि अभी हार ही रहे ना तो एक आध मैच अर्जुन को खिला लो ना। क्या हो गया क्या हो गया उसको? वो बेचारा, वो पता बेचारा डगआउट पे भी नहीं बैठता, मेरे को इतना बुरा लगता है, मालूम है अंदर बैठे रहते हो, मेरे को इतना रोने को आता है मालूम है। अरे हमारा अर्जुन अर्जुन बेचारा, मैं आपको इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ सौरभ भाई, कि मैं एक बार T1 एयरपोर्ट पे था, तो बेचारा अर्जुन तेंदुलकर उधर नहीं गया, मेडिकल में से कुछ प्रोटीन ले रहा था, तो पब्लिक उसको देख के बोलते ये देखो नेचुरल प्रोटीन लेना चाहिए, पनीर वगैरह खाना चाहिए, वे प्रोटीन खाता रहता है। मैं बोला अरे तेंदुलकर को ना तुम लोग खेलने को चांस देता है, लोग ऐसा तिरस्कार कर रहे हैं उसको। मैं क्या बोलता, एक मैच में मैं तो बोलता अर्जुन तेंदुलकर से ओपनिंग भी करवाओ और बॉलिंग भी करवाओ, क्या है उसमें, मुंबई का टीम है तो क्या अर्जुन तेंदुलकर को इतना तो कोटा होता है ना, रोहन गावस्कर को अगर वो लेवल पे ये स्ट्राइक रेट पे चांस मिल सकते हैं तो अर्जुन तेंदुलकर को क्यों
नहीं। और इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर अगर परफॉर्मेंस के लिए हो सकता है तो इंस्टाग्राम का लाइक्स के लिए भी इम्पैक्ट है, कोई तो सब ला सकता है पब्लिक, यू नो। लाइक अगर लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल बीबीके वाइन्स को लेके आया सडनली, यू नो, एंड सडनली द स्पाइक्स विल बी अ स्पाइक। जाकिर खान सडनली आ गया और यू नो स्पाइक करा, तो किसी को भी ला सकता है, बिकॉज ये अभी क्रिकेट तो है नहीं वैसे। एंड सिड टू योर पॉइंट अबाउट सीएसके ने एक्चुअली एक स्ट्रैटेजी किया, 10 बॉल्स का वो स्ट्रैटेजी है महेंद्र सिंह धोनी के लिए। The only thing they have to figure out is बाकी 110 बॉल का क्या स्ट्रैटेजी कराएगा हम लोग, बाकी they have got it figured.
Bhaskar, there was a video which came out of Rohit Sharma breaks down in tears in the green, not dugout. I don't know if he actually did or he was just like वो कुछ पसीना निकाल रहा है, ऐसे कुछ कर रहा है. I don't know if he was actually crying, but he's got 34 runs in I think 4 innings at that point of time. So so what do you think? Do you get emotional watching this stuff or you are just like हाँ ठीक है?
नहीं आईपीएल पे इमोशनल नहीं होते।
गर्मी था वो गर्मी की वजह से हार्दिक पांड्या ने उस दिन बिरयानी का लेग पीस खा लिया, तो रोहित शर्मा बोला क्या है यार, बैटिंग भी नहीं किया, लेग पीस भी खा लिया, तो ही वाज जस्ट सैड, वैसा बाहर बैठा था, ऊपर से तो मेरे को लगता है कि
Sorry, one second, just to interrupt you. You mentioned Pasina and Pandya without mentioning Gatorade. So good job, yeah. That is the ad, right?
तुम लोग को नहीं लगता है कि वो हेडबैंड हटाने के बाद से उसका थोड़ा बॉलिंग सुधर गया है? मतलब मेरे को बोला कि पांड्या ने बेंच हेडबैंड हटा दिया, अब से विकेट ले रहा है वो। वो एक
He opened his mind.
नहीं, वो वर्ल्ड कप के काला जादू किया ना, मुंह से थूक दिया ना बॉल के ऊपर। So now every time you do one kala jadoo, say one good thing happens to you, then 10 bad things have to happen to offset that one good thing. So ये सब वो काला जादू की वजह से है वर्ल्ड कप का।
But Bhaskar, I want to ask you something which is like we were discussing this before the live began, which is that Punjab Kings has become the first team in the history of the IPL to not qualify for 10 consecutive years. So this year was the first time I've actually seen them, and I'm like, boss, potential tha isme. What did you think of their performance this year?
नहीं, it is the story every year. वो potential दिखता है, and then वो कुछ close matches हारे हुए होते हैं, and which you know comes back and hurts them. जैसे इंडिया के साथ 90s में होता था ना कि वो एक जिम्बाब्वे के अगेंस्ट हारे थे, and because of that we are out of the tournament. So this is happening with them for the last, I don't know, like 5-6 years से तो मैं देख रहा हूँ. And the problem with them is always the foreign players. The Indians are going and performing. मतलब उनको again like CSK वो चांस नहीं मिल रहा है. शशांक सिंह, आशुतोष शर्मा, even हरप्रीत ब्रार, उनको चांस ही नहीं मिलता. It is the Johnny Bairstow पे भरोसा है, लिविंगस्टन पे भरोसा है, and they are not performing. वो Bairstow ने 100 मार दिया, वो because of that पूरा IPL खेल के जाए. So there's something wrong with the Punjab management, the way they're seeing all these matches in the IPL. पूरा strategy जो बनाते हैं, they have to change. मतलब बार-बार कैप्टन चेंज करना is not the solution. या प्लेयर चेंज करना is not the solution.
गलती से प्लेयर खरीद लेते वो लोग 20 लाख वो खेल के मतलब किसको खरीदने का, तो बिचारो मेरे को तो सबसे बेस्ट स्टोरी ऑफ दिस आईपीएल, बेस्ट थिंग टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस आईपीएल इज शशांक भाई। गलती से खरीदो वो प्लेयर, तुमको वो इतना अच्छा खेल लिया। और गाइस मेरे को तो लगता है पंजाब है ना, अभी उन्होंने छोड़ दिया हो। वो दिन पंजाब का इंस्टाग्राम देखा, उसमें ऐसे है कि पंजाब के जो प्लेयर्स है ना, उनके मॉम डैड आए हुए हैं, एंड दे आर मीटिंग meet and greet with Virat Kohli, and they are writing wholesome moments with parents meeting Virat. मैं बोला कि उनका भी
Yeah, they are the
IPL.
Punjab Kings has become.
ऐसा है.
Yeah. No. Punjab Kings has become the junior artist of the IPL tournament. ठीक है. वो एक कॉलेज में हीरो का एक दोस्त रहता मालूम है, जो ऐसा बहुत वेल नोन नहीं है उसको, लेकिन वो खाली फ्रेम भरने के लिए है वो. तो पंजाब किंग्स हैज बिकम लाइक दैट. उसका बैकग्राउंड में लोग पासिंग दे रहा है पूरा टूर्नामेंट में, इधर पे ऐसा फोरग्राउंड में उसका शोल्डर दिखाने की किसी किसी तो बात कर रहा है, ऐसा सब, ये सब चीज के लिए है पंजाब. But actually, yeah, they're also like not very like, let's just try and make a splash. थोड़ा प्रीति जिंटा का PR हो गया, थोड़ा little bit of Johnny Berse, किसने तो ऐसा 260 चेस कर लिया, good enough.
Yeah, good. And our friends Piyush and who's with him, yaar, Jizzy. They're doing good on social media for Punjab Kings. So they're winning there. तो अच्छा है. But by the way, Singh Shetty, it's so funny that you mentioned Shashank Singh की मतलब 20 लाख रुपए उन्होंने उसको दिए by mistake, and they've done this before also, no? With Harpreet Singh Bhatia, right? Wasn't that Punjab was involved in not bidding for him? Because they thought that it was Harpreet Singh, the other guy. I think it was Punjab Kings only. I think like Nes Pandya all wanted him, and then they said ki acha nahi. So they've done this when they were even Kings 11 Punjab. They made similar mistakes. So I think Punjab Kings just did too much research. They're like, so काटेंगे.
एक बार केएल राहुल के लिए बहुत ज्यादा पैसा दे दिया था, मतलब आई थिंक ओवरबिड कर दिया था, मतलब ले फिर बस, मतलब ऐसा पंजाब करता रहता है ऐसे, मतलब ऐसा वो लोग ऐसा कि fun activities.
Yeah. Basically, you get to meet Virat Kohli, ऐसा सेल्फी ले लिया विराट कोहली के साथ, पेरेंट्स को वीडियो कॉल कर दिया, बैट साइन कर दिया. रिंकू सिंह को अभी बैट इसने दे रहा ना, अभी विराट कोहली दे रहा ना. तो ऐसा कुछ मिलता रहता बड़े बड़े प्लेयर से, और कलेक्ट करने का फिर जाके अमेज़न पे, OLX पे.
याद आया, तुम लोग ने वो केकेआर में अभिषेक नायर और रोहित शर्मा का कॉन्वर्सेशन सुना क्या? अरे तुम लोग ने सुना? अरे बेस्ट, मैं बताता हूँ. उसमें ऐसा है कि वो बात कर रहा है, ठीक है, तो उसमें क्लियरली ऐसा केकेआर के सोशल मीडिया पे था, जहाँ पे रोहित शर्मा बोल रहा है ऐसे कि मैंने तो ये टीम को मैंने तो बनाया है मेरे खून पसीने से, और फिर लास्ट में बोल रहा है अब तो क्या है यार, मेरा तो लास्ट ईयर है यहाँ पे, और ऐसा बोल रहा है, और वो वीडियो हट गया केकेआर के, इससे हट गया, एंड पीपल आर डिसाइफरिंग विद टाइमलाइंस कि ये 10 सेकंड में रोहित शर्मा ने ऐसा बोला, अभिषेक नायर ने ऐसा बोला कि अरे क्या बोलूं मैं, उन लोग का डिसीजन था अभी क्या बोलने का, और ऐसा, और फील्ड पे अभिषेक नायर केकेआर का फील्डिंग कोच कुछ था वो, और रोहित शर्मा बात कर, रोहित शर्मा बोला है मेरे को क्या है, मेरा तो लास्ट ईयर है यहाँ पे. नाउ पीपल क्रेजी, अगले साल केकेआर में आएगा या तो फिर सीएसके में आएगा.
भास्कर, you're the cricket inside. Who do you think? क्योंकि ये तो सब जगह सारी टीम्स यही प्रोजेक्ट कर रही है कि रोहित शर्मा किसके पास आएगा अगले साल. And रोहित शर्मा, who by the way I'm a big fan of, okay, has not made it easy for himself. It's just like everybody's like चाहिए रोहित शर्मा, and he's like 34 innings. So Bhaskar,
from the year 2014 he has not made it easy for himself. From the year 2015.
So Bhaskar, who do you think is going to fit to Rohit Sharma, and do you think it's actually true कि he's going to leave MI? Yeah, these are rumors.
He's going to leave MI. मतलब वो MI में तो नहीं हो रहे, because look at the team. ये टीम अगर लास्ट पे बैठी है ना, तो there is something really wrong in the dressing room. It cannot be the skill level. Skill level बहुत high है इस टीम का. And if they are not happy, तो रोहित शर्मा will leave. But मेरे को यही लग रहा है कि if रोहित शर्मा leaves, then what about Sky and Jasprit Bumrah? They are also not happy. क्या वो लोग भी छोड़ देंगे? फिर अगर मैनेजमेंट अगर मना रहा है तो वो तीनों को मनाएगा. It will not be कि रोहित you go and Sky and Bumrah you play with us. It will not happen. It will be really interesting to see. मुझे लगता है कि वो KKR जाएगा, because A, Abhishek Nair is there, who is like great friends with all of them. I don't know. And B, उसने पहले एक बार बोल चुका है कि यार I would like to go to KKR and play. So उसने बोल चुका है.
और ईडन उसका फेवरेट.
Also Eden Gardens, yeah.
या ईडन गार्डन्स.
True. ईडन का राजा, असली राजा रोहित ही एक्चुअली.
Okay, let's Eden बादशाह राजा.
Okay, let's talk about this. This is what the hell I was going to talk about? Since we just touched upon KKR, I don't know how many. First of all, KKR fantastic season, and Gautam Gambhir. I mean, full respect, man. But my favorite part about this was on social media, where basically one second, I'm going to mute Chirag. हाँ. Where basically गौतम गंभीर का कोई फैन आया उसके साथ and he said, sir आप KKR please मत छोड़िए, आप हमारे दिल के अंदर हैं. And then he started crying. Okay? And it's a very beautiful emotional moment of a fan who really loves Gautam Gambhir. And Gautam Gambhir is not used to dealing with emotions. So after this guy like wept his heart out and sung 2 lines for him, Gautam Gambhir is just like, thank you. He's not requires to be a champion, guys. From no emotion whatsoever. Yeah, let's talk about KKR this year, man. It's been fantastic. And by the way, one big massive change that I don't know how many people have even focused on the fact that Nitish Rana is not there.
Yeah,
He's not there. People have like nobody's discussed that he's gone. There's just zero talk about it. Sid, what do you think? What do you think कि KKR ने क्या किया इस साल which you're like boss मस्त था?
नहीं, पहली बात तो बाप रे, वो इसके बारे में तो बात करना पड़ेगा. द सरड़ा बॉलर सुनील नारायण, जस्ट लाइक ऐसा सरड़ा बॉलर, बाप रे वो आदमी कमाल है. नहीं, मेरे को तो लोग बोलते हैं ऐसा वैसा. अरे बॉलिंग में अच्छा है, बैटिंग अच्छा किया, ठीक है, और उनको अच्छा, उनका बॉलिंग अटैक अच्छा था, बैटिंग भी अच्छा था इस बार. ऐसा नहीं है. मेरे को लगता है किसी एक मैच में उन्होंने मनीष पांडे को खिलाया.
हाँ, सब. हाँ,
ऊपर से तो वो मैच में मनीष पांडे खेला तो वापस से रील्स आया कि ओ माय गॉड, द ओरिजिनल रिसर्जेंट प्लेयर, द ओरिजिनल टैलेंट ऑफ आईपीएल इज बैक. एंड द बेस्ट रील, सब लोग को बता रहा हूँ कि पीपल आर कंपेयरिंग गौतम गंभीर विद होजे मोरिनियो. I'm like mind is blown. मैंने बोला मोरिनियो कितना बड़ा आदमी है. बोलता है कि द मोजे मोरिनियो ऑफ क्रिकेट, he should be the future. पब्लिक बोल रहा है फ्यूचर कोच ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम. गंभीर रोज झगड़े हो रहे टीम में, धक्का मुक्की हो रहा है.
Jay Shah, the venerated Jay Shah. Was there any need for him to say that Rahul Dravid is not going to be the coach after the World Cup? Do we have to announce this and say we have he's free to apply for the post again? Like I was like, just wait. I don't know why these people can't wait till the end of the bloody World Cup to start making these kind of absurd announcements. ये मतलब तुम्हारा काम चल रहा है, but we already applied to LinkedIn for another replacement. Chirag, have you been through this? Have you been in Rahul Dravid's position?
Of course I have. I know exactly what it's like to be around Dravid with 10,000 test runs and 13,000 ODI runs and, first series victory in England and all that. But more importantly, I think they also announced with as much enthusiasm that there is one more selector position still open and vacant, and they will fill it soon. So we are getting minute by minute updates from the BCCI's office. Also very good, considering that the entire machinery of BCCI has been able to produce no other cricket apart from Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma who can play the T20 World Cup. So good job, everybody. All round high fives.
Who selects the selector is my question. Does anybody know who decides?
This is the main question. This is the main.
Yeah. Bhaskar will know. Bhaskar, who selects the selector?
No idea. In BCCI, you don't know. Like it could be anyone. किसी से सुबह पूछ लिया कि सेलेक्टर कौन बनेगा? चेतन शर्मा. ठीक है, चेतन शर्मा तो आज से सेलेक्टर है हमारा. Okay, let's come to a team that's threatening to come back and threatening to qualify against all odds. This is what I've loved about cricket analysis. Okay, Cricket.com has been doing some great analysis for a while. Okay, literally 8 days back, they put out a chart saying this is the qualification chances of each team. And they put RCB as 0%. Okay, not even 1%. 0% they put them. And now it's up to some 15% or something like that. So do you think realistically, guys, do you think that because of Sunil Gavaskar being the coach of RCB, do you think they have a chance of qualifying actually? No, absolutely. Like Sunil Gavaskar के comment के बाद तो विराट कोहली is so fired up. वो जाके आधे रन खुद बना दे रहा है.
मैच तरफ है, मतलब जैसे सौरभ भाई कि कल सीएसके हार गया, बराबर. अभी आरसीबी को दे हैव टू विन देयर 2 मैचेस, इज्जतवाड़ी में जीतते हैं दोनों मैचेस, और आगे सीएसके और डीसी हारना चाहिए, खत्म. फिर तो आरसीबी अंदर है.
Did you say इज्जतवाड़ी?
जिधर पे कोई भी क्रिकेटर रहता नहीं है वो एरिया में, इज्जतवाड़ी में कोई भी क्रिकेटर नहीं रहता वो एरिया में। अभी एकदम सुनसान पड़ गया उधर पे। अभी वो उधर पे इज्जतवाड़ी पे पहले एयरपोर्ट बनने वाला था, पिछले 12 साल से अनाउंस कर रहा है, लेकिन अभी उधर पे वो भी नहीं बनने वाला। मेट्रो भी नहीं पहुंच रहा उधर पे इज्जतवाड़ी में। एनीवे,
The BCCI selected us at इज्जतवाड़ी. That's what I've heard that about these rumors. But yeah, Chirag, I enjoyed this research because it's so interesting that अभी तक RCB took half the tournament to figure out that okay, Rajat Patidar is in form, which is great. Will Jacks and Swapnil Singh, basically the two big changes that they've made, and because of that, they suddenly started winning. That's literally all that's happened. Is that and Kohli ka gussa, obviously.
so sorry, can you say that again?
I'm saying Swapnil Singh and Will Jacks have started playing, and that was the big change. And then, of course, Kohli getting angry has been beneficial to them. What do you think is more important?
No, and also Siraj has struck up form a little bit towards the latter part of the tournament. So no, I realistically don't think they have a chance of making it to the playoffs. I think it will be ultimately मेरे को four तो मालूम नहीं मेरे को, लेकिन top 2 is going to be SRH and Mumbai Indians.
Yeah, that's true. Very good analysis. Very good. Very good. Okay, now I have to talk to you about this coin toss conspiracy. And Shetty, who knows all this weird gossip on the side. The coin toss conspiracy was that in a match between Mumbai Indians and RCB, apparently what Javadar Srinath did was he switched the coin and he gave it to this thing. And in the next match, Faf du Plessis was rumored to be telling Pat Cummins that अरे वो ऐसा क्या ऐसे convert करे या कौन करके ऐसे गया. Right now, there was no audio of this. This is just him saying that he tossed and he turned it. So fans have gone like there's a toss conspiracy. And now what this has led to is the broadcasters zooming in on the coin the second it lands. Okay. So first of all, I want to ask you, is there a conspiracy with coin toss, or is this some bullshit?
Yes, there is a conspiracy. वो अगर देखेगा प्रॉपर्ली वीडियो तो उसके ऊपर दिखता है जवागल श्रीनाथ ने कैसे लास्ट मिनट पे कॉइन उठाया तभी ऐसा पलट दिया, ठीक है। तो वो जो हेड्स को उसने ऐसा टेल्स कर दिया उसने सडनली, you know how he was not able to make the ball move in the 2003 वर्ल्ड कप, वैसे उसने कॉइन को मूव कर दिया ओवर कॉम्पेंसेट करके।
Reverse swing. Bhaskar, is there a conspiracy? You're the only sane person on this panel. Is there conspiracy here?
No, I don't think there is any conspiracy because if you see na Jawaharlal Srinath, he picked up the coin, he was looking like this, and then जैसा उठाया था उसका वापस मतलब it looks like कि उसने reverse कर दिया, but if you see the whole video वो नहीं हुआ वैसा, मतलब it is the right call that he made, but मतलब IPL ने बोला कि भाई इतनी सब bullshit में हम नहीं पड़ रहे हैं, just zoom into the मतलब zoom into the coin. कैमरे वाले को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया स्पेसिफिकली। इन वन ऑफ द मैचेस आई रिमेंबर वो मैच रेफरी जाके उठाने वाला था तो कैमरे वाले ने रोक दिया कि रुको रुको रुको, पहले जूम इन करूंगा उसके बाद उठाएंगे।
This is so funny that both of you have seen the same video and come to differing results, and now I'm suddenly starting to have more empathy for the third umpire. Shit, हाँ,
Actually, ये जितना भी कैमरामैन है वो लोग का इस बार पेमेंट कम दिया है, लोग ने कम इंक्रीमेंट नहीं दिया है, तो सब बदला ले रहा है। बेचारा पति राणा देखा, वो पति राणा आशीर्वाद ले रहा है, पति राणा जैसे एक दो रुपया छुट्टा वगैरह नीचे गिरा तो वो उठा रहा है, वो तो दिखा रहा है पति राणा आशीर्वाद ले रहा धोनी से, फाइन वाला। ये सब कैमरामैन लोग चाल कर रहे हैं। ये लोग जानबूझ के कंट्रोवर्सी, ये लोग बोल रहे कि हमारा इंक्रीमेंट नहीं देगा तब तक हम लोग प्रॉब्लमैटिक सिचुएशन लेके आएंगे। अभी देखा धोनी, सौरभ भाई, रोहित शर्मा और अभिषेक नायर का कन्वर्सेशन देख लीजिए। अरे पूरा का पूरा वो लोग पर्सनल बात कर रहे हैं कि अरे देखा क्या कांदा लहसुन का भाव कितना बढ़ गया है, वो सब भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं। आप पर्सनल चीज आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं ये बरोबर। और ऊपर से वो केएल राहुल और उसका रिकॉर्ड किया, वो गोयनका का कन्वर्सेशन, गोयनका उसको बोल रहा है, केएल राहुल बोल रहा है अरे मैं साउथ साइड का शेट्टी है तो थोड़ा चिकन वगैरह रखो ना, तो गोयनका बोल रहा है कि नहीं हम वेज खाने प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, चिकन देख खाने का डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं।
मेरे को लगा इतना पैसा आ गया पब्लिक के पास कि पैसे से पागल हो गया और पूरा ऐसा पावर एक्सर्ट कर रहा है जिसके ऊपर उसका somebody you can't talk back to him, ऐसा था। वो नहीं था एक्चुअली, लोग चिकन विकन
हाँ।
का बात कर रहा था, खाने
करेक्ट
का बात
करेक्ट
कर रहा था।
ऐसे
ओह
बट इट वाज बट थोड़ा सैड तो था, मतलब जोक्स अपार्ट। आप लोग क्या लगता है आप लोगों को कि सैड नहीं था कि ग्राउंड में सीधा सीधा सुनाया जा रहा है? मतलब जो अंकल एकदम ऐसे ऐसे मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाते हैं, मतलब उनको देख के ऐसा फीलिंग आता है मॉर्निंग वॉक ऐसा, मॉर्निंग वॉक में ऐसा टर्फ क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, वो केएल राहुल को सुनाया जा रहा है, केएल राहुल सुन भी रहा है, और केएल राहुल इतना स्वीटली और पब्लिक बोल भी रहा है ये चीज विराट कोहली के साथ करके बताए। मैं बोला कि हाँ भाई, अभी ऐसा लग रहा है, हाँ, विराट कोहली को सुनाता था, विराट कुछ ना कुछ तो रिप्लाई देता था। और उसकी वाइफ भी ऐसा खड़ी है वहां पे, ऐसा बैग, वाइफ थी कि उसकी रिलेटिव थी, वैसा बैग लेके खड़ी है ऐसे, जैसे
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ
कि अपन सुनाते ना वेटर को कभी कभी, अरे क्या है ये सूप में, क्या है ये, बरोबर नहीं है सूप, दूसरा वाला लेके आओ।
हाँ, ट्रिपल शेजवान की जगह खाली
क्या है ग्राउंड में सुना रहे हो किसी को?
नहीं, ट्रिपल शेजवान की जगह खाली डबल शेजवान दे दिया तो अपन सुना देते ना भाई।
हाँ
और वो केएल राहुल फुल ऐसा निर्विकार चेहरा लेके उधर पे खड़ा था कि यू नो लाइक इस लेवल का हड़काना भी ही doesn't get an emotion out of him. I don't know what will.
इंटरव्यू विद करण जौहर Bhaskar, do you think like, because you know what, repeatedly Gautam Gambhir and all these people have said that the best owner is Shah Rukh Khan because he just says तुम अपना काम करो, मुझे कुछ interference नहीं करना है. But repeatedly you tend to see a lot of team owners, and invariably when the team owners are too much involved in the team, you can sense that they are not going to do well, right? Is that fair to say, or is it not on target?
No, it is definitely fair to say, but कि team owners को interfere नहीं करना चाहिए. Now, what Mr. Sanjeev Goenka did the other day, it is absolutely wrong. First of all, उसको इन बातों में नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. He is the team owner. He does not understand cricket. यार होते हैं ऐसे. You cannot come and blast your captain. मतलब on the field छोड़ो, बाद में भी बात नहीं करनी चाहिए उसको मेरे हिसाब से. It should be the management who is talking कि यार अपना strategy कहाँ wrong गया, क्या problem रहा. मतलब does Mr. Goenka understand कि पिच किस तरह से प्ले कर रहा था? उन्होंने सिर्फ देखा कि अरे SRH ने 10 ओवर में रन मार दिए, and that is why my people have not performed. मतलब will he do the same thing in a board meeting? अगर वो corporate scenario में जाएगी.
Yes, probably yes. You think a man like that board meetings में सबका बात सुन रहा है यार, ठीक है यार, गलती हो गया, कोई बात नहीं यार, you can try again. You think that's going to be his? I don't think so. Yeah.
He is micro managing कि उसका इंटर्न कितने बजे आता है, वो ऐसा कॉल कर रहा है ऐसे कैमरा में देख के, वो क्यों सुट्टा मार रहा है 3 बार, why is smoking Gudangaram, it is reducing the efficiency of the company.
But then this is the same guy जिसने महेंद्र सिंह धोनी को sack किया था during his Pune days. That time Mr. Goenka was leading this.
Oh, he's acting for what? Why did he sack him?
So Steve Smith became the captain the next year. पुणे का टीम, पुणे वॉरियर्स का टीम सिर्फ 2 साल था. So first year it was MS Dhoni. The performance was not great. But imagine a guy like Dhoni with so much of credentials. उसको बोला कि नहीं भाई तू Steve Smith आएगा, वो तुम्हें हमें कैप्टन करे. He did this to Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I'm glad कि वो 2 साल KL राहुल के साथ रुक गया.
Yeah.
6 मैच पे सैक कर देता वो KL राहुल को, given जो उसका परफॉर्मेंस रहा है.
I don't know how young you guys are, but there was this one Cadbury's Dairy Milk का ad था जिसके अंदर that man hits a ball for a 6 and this girl comes running into the cricket ground and all of this, and then she hugs him and all of that. So imagine he doesn't hit the ball for a 6 and Sanjeev Goenka comes down with the thing. बात है, खास है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है जिंदगी में, तेरा बाप का लिया था क्या पैसा, बाप का नहीं क्या मैं.
क्या बड़ा होगा आपके साथ?
टीम ओनर्स ये लोग को आईपीएल में नई टीम रखना, ये लोग को ऐसा छोटा लीग रहता है ना सोसाइटी का, ऐसा कॉम्प्लेक्स का, उधर मतलब वो खुद ही विकेट कीपर करके खड़े संजय गोयनका, वही इम्पैक्ट कर ऐसे कालीकट वॉरियर्स, ऐसा टीम को 2-3 टीम खरीदना चाहिए. अब वो माइक्रो मैनेज कीजिए, आप खुद ही खेलने के लिए जाइए. टूर्नामेंट में ये सब कर रहे हैं,
No, but I realized after watching your these number of videos that are coming out about bank employees being screamed at by the bosses, ki, "Arey, who gives a shit about your family and all that stuff?" I realized that corporate structure in India is just most of it is this only, where people are just angry with their subordinates. But anyway,
And hence, I think we should increase more corporate participation in the IPL.
yeah. Yeah, absolutely, 100%. I think more corporate everywhere. That's why they will not remove the impact sub next year also. Okay, but by the way, let's talk about LSG for a second, because LSG, if they win the next two matches, they can still qualify, right? They've won 6 matches so far. But I'm very curious about the performance so far, because they've won 6 matches. 3 of the matches were won by craziness happening. Like craziness. 2 was Mayank Yadav just bowling faster than my speed on the expressway. And then there was that crazy knock by Stoinis. And the other 3 matches they won were just like home advantage, etc., etc. So do you think that they've not played to performance, or they played exactly as you would expect them to? और chance है उन लोग का qualify करने का कि नहीं?
I think realistic chance बहुत सारी teams का है इस बार. अभी
हाँ.
LSG is there, CSK is there, then even DC can qualify, RCB can qualify. Like one of these teams will go through, depending कि आगे के matches कैसे जाते हैं. But I think problem with LSG was that they have not stuck to what they thought at the start of the tournament, or before probably the start of the tournament. Because उस समय बात बड़ा हो रहा था कि है ना, KL Rahul will be the guy who will be playing in the middle order. वो 5 नंबर पे आएगा, फिनिश करेगा and all that stuff. And इसलिए देवदत्त पाटिकल को they traded it from Rajasthan Royals.
Yeah.
Now where is देवदत्त पाटिकल? मतलब वो खेल ही नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि उसको ओपनिंग कराना था, वो ओपनिंग स्लॉट तो KL राहुल ने ले लिया. Then they have got this problem of plenty also. कि कभी कृणाल पांड्या 9 नंबर पे आता है, कभी उसको 4 पे भेज देते हैं. The roles are not defined. So many problems with them. So it'll be really good performance by them अगर वो इसके बाद 2 मैच जीत जाते हैं. एंड मिस्टर गोयंका का स्क्रूटिनी तो हमेशा होगा ही, वो डर लगा रहेगा केएल राहुल को कि आज मैंने परफॉर्म नहीं किया. तो मिस्टर गोयंका डंडा लेके आना जाए, जिसे चिराग ने डिस्क्राइब किया था.
हाँ, वही कि अगर केएल राहुल को ऐसा ग्राउंड पे सुना लगता है कि पांड्या को तो ऐसा बेल्ट वेल्ट से मारते रहेंगे. तू स्टाफ बस में मत आ, तू चल के आ, तू खुद का ओला करके आ, रिक्शा पकड़ रखे बैग, उसको ऐसा. बाकी टीम ताज में रुका है और कोई खराब परफॉर्म किया, ओयो में रुका हुआ है. और यू नॉट गेट बुकिंग, आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू टू.
नहीं, चिकन का कितना पीस लिया वो ऐसा गिन रहा है. तो 2 ले लिया था पहले, अभी एक आलू ले, चल हाँ, थोड़ा भिंडी ले. हाँ,
ही इज वन ऑफ दोस गाइस. दिस स्टॉइनिस अगर वर्ल्ड कप फोन करेगा, हाँ यू आर प्लेइंग नाइसली, कम नेक्स्ट टाइम.
That is actually a great thing, because like so far this whole IPL, nobody has had any empathy for KL Rahul. Suddenly people are like, "Arey, बुरा हुआ KL Rahul के साथ." So I think maybe that's his tactic. Maybe they decided it. So I just think he's done a very nice thing, and he's really created support for KL Rahul. So good job, Mr. Goenka. I think it was a fantastic thing that he did. Is what I'm going to say. Okay, let's come to one more thing that is there, which is that we were talking about strike rates earlier. और अभी बीच में ट्रेंड हो रहा था अबाउट जिम्बाब्वार और व्हाटएवर निकनेम दे हैव फॉर बाबर आजम scoring on 50 or 43 or something against Ireland, and then they lost to Ireland. And Indian fans are very excited कि अरे हार गए, उनका मेन प्लेयर तो यहाँ जोशुआ लिटिल यहाँ पर है, all this shit they're going on. Now, I don't know how many people realize that the T20 World Cup is going to be very much like this, because the gap between the teams is reduced significantly, and the chances कि कोई बारिश आ जाए, फिर 5 ओवर का मैच आ जाए, and any team could beat any team. So I'm just saying, Indian fans, chill out. This could be us.
yeah. It's likely going to be us. We are going to be looking at all the other teams like this. You know why? We're looking at them like this, because they're the bottom of the table.
Yeah.
इसके लिए हमने 2 टेबल में बांट दिया, so we can't be at the absolute bottom. We'll be somewhere in the the middle like that. But playoffs भी नहीं कर रहा है.
Have you ever seen the highlights of that match? That Pakistan versus Ireland match was actually more exciting than about 90% of the IPL games so far, because It's a lot of fun. It's 183 runs they scored. There's a little bit of swing there, a little bit of movement, good batting, and the strike rate of Babar Azam was honestly, like if I was a Pakistan fan, I'd be like, boss, kya kar raha hai tu? Like he was on 15 or 19 in the power play. Dude, like in India, you would be like, welcome on a screen that it was here, right? So I'm really looking forward to those kind of matches. But also, there's another thing that happened is Mohammad Amir didn't get his Ireland visa. And I'm just saying, it's interesting. It's interesting that, if it was India, it would have been a problem, friends. There would have been 9,000 tweets about what have we done? Just Sardar is my best friend.
Yeah.
मड आयरलैंड का वीजा नहीं मिला उसको.
आमिर नहीं आएगा.
नहीं, आमिर अभी आयरलैंड का उसका वीजा टाइम पे नहीं आया.
यूएस आएगा.
यूएस तो आएगा.
ऐसा कुछ तो मानने वाली करेंगे.
क्या हो गया? मड आइलैंड का वीजा नहीं मिला. क्या हो गया? वो तो ऐसे फेरी से भी जा सकता है, उधर प्लेन में लेने का जरूरत नहीं है.
उसको बोला कि you can come only come to Mud Island. I cannot enter Gorai beach and all. I cannot use facilities there. उसको बोला कि only Mud Island. Mohammad Amir is allowed.
Yeah. There's Mud Ireland, there's Mud Scotland, and there's Mud Wales. These are three islands near Mumbai. Everybody knows these well. But by the way, one of the things that happened, which is making Pakistani fans very angry, was that Gary Kirsten, who's coaching for Gujarat Titans, is now the coach for Pakistan. I think he's doing it over Skype. They're like, boss, World Cup ho raha hai. I'm like, yeah, what are you doing? So a lot of fans are saying that basically Gary Kirsten will join the Pakistan team if Gujarat Titans do not qualify for the playoffs. So now, if India wants a leg up to Pakistan in the World Cup, we need to make sure that Gujarat Titans somehow qualify. Do you agree, Bhaskar, with my analysis? Yeah.
Great analysis, I would say. Like, if this happens, मतलब imagine, और गुजरात टाइटंस कल का मैच भी जीत गए सीएसके के साथ, so maybe it is the start of that.
Yeah. Shut exactly. You were saying something, huh?
अरे अभी तो देखा शुभमन गिल अभी का खेल के उस दिन तो आरसीबी के टेस्ट कुछ तो मैच था गुजरात टाइटंस का. शुभमन गिल कुछ मारा 80-85. वो ऐसा बैट लेके ना विराट कोहली के जैसे कुछ कर रहा है, ऐसे बैट कर रहे हैं. तो मतलब कि विराट कोहली थोड़ी सिलेक्टर है, ये पागल हो गया क्या? सिलेक्टर तो आगे सिलेक्टर है. वो तो घर में मस्त बैठा वरुण बख्श खाकर सो गए और टीम सिलेक्ट करके मस्त बैठ के एसी लगा के वो गुजरात. हाँ बट ये मस्त है गैरी कर्स्टन. तो देखो आपके क्या मतलब स्काइप पे वो कोचिंग दे रहा है, वो भी बहुत बड़ा बात है. उसको ऐसा प्री रिकॉर्डेड मटेरियल भेजना चाहिए जिस हिसाब से उसको पैसा दिया देगा पाकिस्तान वाले ने. उसको प्री रिकॉर्डेड देखा वो बाइजूस वाला आता है ना, वैसे वाला फिर ऐसा मॉडल्स ऐसा किया उसने. अरे गुजरात टाइटन कितना पैसा दे रहा है? गैरी कर्स्टन के बच्चे का हार्वर्ड पोजीशन का पैसा गुजरात टाइटंस दे रहा है. आता ये लोग का ये बंद हो रहा है.
And it's not like Pakistan has a bad record of coaches in World Cups in West Indies, right? ऐसा तो कुछ है. Zoom पे मिलता हूँ ना भाई, Zoom पे करता ना भाई, Zoom पे सब मिलता है actually Zoom पे.
Delete this last bit.
गैरी कर्स्टन का वाइफ रहेगा ना, बोलते रहेगा कि तुम होटल वगैरह में मत रुको, हमारे रिलेटिव है, तुम बस वगैरह पकड़ के जाओ स्टेडियम पे, तुम उनके घर पे रुको, घर का खाना पैक करके रखते, तुम होटल वगैरह में मत रुको, लोग के साथ रिलेटिव के घर पे रुको. गैरी कर्स्टन उधर भी जूम में लोगों को ट्रेनिंग दे रहा है. बोलते थोड़ा तबियत खराब है, पेट खराब है थोड़ा.
I think subconsciously all of us have tuned out of the IPL because all of us are just looking at India versus Pakistan. Nobody gives a shit. Honestly, I was thinking about this yesterday. I just don't care who wins the IPL. I don't give a shit who wins as long as it's not Pat Cummins. I am okay with anybody else winning. I mean, he's easily the best cricketer in the world right now, and I'm just sick of him doing so well. So I just want him to lose, and I still love him, and I like the side also. But yeah, Chirag, I have a segment that I would like to do with you. Right, you became famous for Footage Bandhu. For those of you who don't know, Chirag is famous for calling Krunal Pandya Footage Bandhu because he cows footage. So I want to know from you, who do you think has been this IPL?
Krunal और हार्दिक दोनों footage बंधु है.
हाँ. But I'm saying, who is a new Footage Bandhu this IPL where you are like, boss, ये भी उनकी तरह ही है. Is there any new entrance to the field this year?
No, I think Rohit has been a lot like that. No, like calling attention to how miserable his plight is, and even in the World Cup ka press conference also he brought up the whole. I mean, he laid a lot of emphasis on what can I do and all of that. So I think he's trying to वो एक अपना खुद के लिए sympathy करने का कोशिश कर रही है. Honestly, what I would have wanted was that after the 50 over World Cup loss, he should have just said, now I give up the T20 thing and let, like 2007, let a new fresh bunch of people come in and take it over. But if he's not quitting, then the BCCI can't take him out also because of the great performance in the World Cup. And if he really wants to play till 2027, I think he should give up at least one format. Or T20 को ऐसा पकड़ के रख के, I think he's been very selfish, Rohit Sharma. So, so I think he's the new footage Bandhu.
Chirag has found the commonality between Hardik Pandya and Rohit Sharma. You're the uniting factor. Now they'll be in a hotel room together. Like, ye jo Chirag hai na, we must get together just to spite him. But Bhaskar and say, is there anybody else who you've noticed this IPL by who just the person who's just having a lot of footage for no reason? Like Riyan Parag has stopped being a footage bandhu. He's become a guy who's just focusing on his task, which is quite commendable. Is there anybody else?
I don't think of any because big shoes to fill in.
Yeah.
Really can't think of any.
Shetty, anybody who you think just cows a lot of footage?
Mr. Goenka.
Yeah, I swear.
How much footage? Like, you're not even supposed to be there.
Yeah.
देखो वो भी मेरे को याद नहीं वो नैना लड़का लोग भी ऊपर मस्त हर्षित राणा भी मस्त एकदम ऐसा
अरे हर्षित राणा
हाँ वो अच्छा एंटरटेनिंग किसिंग वगैरह कर रहा है किसिंग सीक्वेंस वगैरह अच्छा था एंजॉय
Kissing sequence like it's Saif Ali Khan and Mamta Kulkarni in the late 90s is Harshit Rana, yeah.
Best celebration on field is that Cannon one. Superb celebration. वैसे देखा ही नहीं तुम.
Michael, okay, let's last segment we'll do is just a few audience questions that have come in. We'll just take them and end this out. First of all, Deepak Devate 2183 says inviting Sunil Shetty was a great idea. I assume which of you is this supposed to be? Who's supposed to be Sunil Shetty? Oh, Siddharth Shetty. Okay, very pointless information. Sameep 1231 says hot information from LSG sources. You already know that this is a lie. KL has demanded resignation from Mr. Goenka for misconduct with senior cricket. And what else? Jardan Jovanovic 4916 heard from them before saying it was a lover stiff. I'm sure they made out in the hotel later. Aggressive Goenka, VA, submissive KL, classic toxic relationship. You think KL had a chance? KL was spotted walking with a limp later. What the hell are these comments, dude? I don't know why I'm reading this.
Really?
Then Jatan Jovanovic has another one saying little 10 to 15-year-olds commenting on Gavaskar in the comment section. Cute doesn't think the overprotected batsman of today could have ever come close to the man who faced the vicious West Indies attack of that time with just a hat on his head and came out on top. So there you go. That's a few of the comments, and all of them are fake. We stand by none of them. So anyway, this has been Ask TGC, which is the great cricketers ask question here. Anyway, this is all that's up. Before we go, Bhaskar, Chirag said, who do you think are going to be the top four in the playoffs according to each of you? Let's start with Bhaskar. Who do you think, based on current form, based on anything, who do you think it's going to be?
I think KKR, Rajasthan, SRH, and I want RCB to qualify.
Oh, wow, dude. Wow. Sid, what about you?
सिर्फ जो भास्कर भाई ने बोला मेरा वही दिमाग में जो केकेआर आया तो है आरसीबी तो चाहिए दिल से तो आई विल एसआरएच या just for Gary Kirsten Zoom files.
Chirag, you already said you want MI and SRH. Anybody else?
I think Deccan Chargers and Rising Pune Super Giants for sure. And then Mumbai Indians and outside chance Punjab Kings, but we'll see.
We'll see. Super. Anyway, thanks for your time, Bhaskar, Chirag, Shetty. Anything you'd like to promote? Anything coming up, Bhaskar, Chirag? Anything? Let's start with you, Bhaskar. Of course, Baby Over with Angad Singh Ranyal. That's the main thing. Go check out that channel. Anything else?
या दैट्स इट. थोड़ा लेट होता है लेकिन आ जाना प्लीज. सब लोग देख लेना आगे बेबी और को.
हाँ. अंगद पैसा नहीं कमा रहा है इस IPL, तो कुछ तो सपोर्ट देना चाहिए ऐसे बंदे को, you know. Shetty,
Yeah.
what about you? How many shows do you have? Some 15 shows in Borivali, 18 shows in Pune, one somewhere in Kothurud.
So follow me on the gram. Follow me on Instagram. My handle is Siri Shetty, and it's linked in the bio. So I'm doing shows. I'm doing 2 shows in Mumbai. 25th of May at J Spot Mumbai, and I'm coming to Hyderabad on 16th of June. And more shows to be added. Just follow me on Instagram, Siri Shetty, for more updates. And thank you so much, guys.
Chirag, what about you? Obviously, something important you have to plug. Yeah, please go ahead.
मेरे पास एक जेल्यूसिल का आधा बाटली पड़ा हुआ, अगर किसको चाहिए तो you can get in touch with me. I have to sell it.
Super. So get in touch with Chirag for that. His Instagram handle is in the description. For everybody watching, thanks a lot for tuning in. Really appreciate it. I have no shows at the moment coming up. So just keep coming to the channel, checking out some nonsense that's happening. And that's about it. Love you all. Marry me. Goodbye. And keep the comments coming for the future. I'll try and read them in a future episode as well. Thanks, Chirag. Thanks, Bhaskar. Thanks, and goodbye, everybody. See you later. Goenka ji rocks.